What's up, guys? Welcome back to Amazing RC. Well, real quick update. As you can see, real close to finishing the second half of the Delta and Gamma builds. That's our 1/10 dirt oval track race cars. The first half is already up at Smoky Mountain Hobbies and it's for sale as we speak. This one's going to be up there very soon, just a couple more decals. Number 2 on the update list, we also got mail today, and that's from Xavier at RCVHX22, and that's all the way from Brussels. So I just think that's amazing. We swapped stickers. He got a hold of me, so he's going to get an Amazing RC decal as well. So I'm going to have a new video up tomorrow. It's going to be the quarter scale build. We call it the KTM build. Got a pretty quick deadline on this one, but it's actually going to someone who's really cool and actually mega famous. So be sure to pay attention to the videos for that. It's Brian, Amazing RC, super tired, going to bed. See you guys tomorrow.